how to fix Instagram login problem in less than 1 minute. This is what I'm going to show you on this video. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this, and now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading like this, and then scroll until you find the Instagram app. Click on it and then click on force stop right like this. And after you click on the force stop, go to the notifications management, disable the notifications and enable them back. Go back, click on the permissions, make sure that also every permission here is enabled. Go back and click on the data usage and make sure also that everything here is enabled. Now the last thing you want to do here is click on the storage or the internal storage. Click on this clear data and clear cache, and then go back to the settings of your phone. Go to the wireless, add networks, and then go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and wait 10 seconds and then enable it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.